back again with me, Pusmasari or Puspa, and the 5 and 5 video. Yeah, 5. Today, I'd like to talk about my daily life at college. It might sound simple, but every day comes with its own challenges and surprises. My morning starts pretty early because my first class begins at 7:30 a.m. That means that means I usually wake up around 6 or even earlier. If I have to prepare something for class, I get ready quickly, grab whatever breakfast I can find. Usually sometimes past like bread or I don't eat breakfast at all and rest to campus. Sometimes I arrive 3 there late, but I try my best to be ready. The college life in Kerala is a mix of fun, excitement, and stress. I love meet and talk to my friends in campus, learning new things and being part of a bigger world. But of course, there are also a lot of assignment, group presentation, deadlines, and expected quizzes that Kahoot and that keep me on my toes. It can get really trying, especially when all the subjects demand attention at the same time. Still, I know this is all part of the process, and I'm learning not just about academics, but also about managing my time and responsibilities. When it comes to break time, I usually have a few choices. Most of the time, I go to pray, especially if it's time for Zuhur. After that, I often look for something to eat with my partner and my friends. It's a good change for us to talk and relax a bit between classes. Sometimes, if there's a schedule, I'll attend a quick meeting with Lima PBI, which is our student organization for English education measures. And on other day, if I have no more classes, I'll just go straight home to help with my shop. It's a family business, and even to to touch it add to my busy schedule. I try to support it when I can. And my college life is really full of work, learning, pressure, and also meaningful moments. It's not always easy, but I'm grateful for the experiences. Every day teaches me something, and I believe all this effort will be worth it in the end. And thank you so much, and thanks all from me for the video, and see the sixth video.